Diecast family, it's your boy Gary coming at you with I can't say another video. It's been a while since I put up a video, but I ran across this challenge, and I figured I'd give it a shot. And the challenge came from Diecast Loonie, and the challenge is show like 5 of your muscle cars, and it could be from any brand, but it just can't be the same car, like Mustang, all Chevelles, or whatever it may be. So I picked out 5 cars I would like to share with you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys join the challenge. I know I kind of like been missing in action for a little bit, but I'm trying to get some stuff together here. But we worry about that later. Right now, let's show these cars. So we're going to kick it off with the Amc Javelin. Okay, these cars, guys, are all from Johnny Lightning. And it is my Johnny Lightning Muscle Car series. I just took 5 cars. Even though, if you guys see the case, I can pick any car I want. I just took a group of 5 out of the case. It was right in front of me. So this says I just recently finished, and I'm showing you. I'm not sure if any open parts, but the hood opens. But it won't stay up, so this will give idea that it will stay open, but it won't stay. So guys, that will be the first piece. Try not to make these videos too long, guys. The next one, guy, will be the Ford Torino Cobra. Another nice sturdy piece. Because one of my biggest passions is collecting muscle cars. I really dig these cars. I'm not going to try to bore you with all of the details. All right, guys. So next, we have the Buick Gsx. I'm trying to just make it as quick as possible for you guys so you can move on, check out some other people's video. If you guys haven't heard about this challenge, I found out through the challenge through George Miniature Diecast. I think it's Miniature Cars. I forget what it is. Sorry, George. Yeah, George Miniature Cars. So check out Diecast Loonie's channel, guys, for this challenge. I will try, if I remember, to leave a link to his channel. You guys could check it out. Again, like I said, hopefully you guys done it. And if you guys, this is the first time you came to my channel, hey, thank you for coming. Hopefully you come back again, and tell a friend. Okay, we have the Plymouth Gtx there. In a nice orange. So this set is a 6-car set, and this is release 2. There's an A and a B, so this is B pretty much. I haven't seen any A's, so maybe I'll start looking around and see if I can find some A's. Then I can have both sets, which would be pretty awesome. And guys, the last piece is one of my favorite, I think one of everybody's favorite. And this is the Chevy Chevelle. Who don't like a Chevelle? So as always, guys, if you like what I'm putting out there, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me a little something. Tell me your favorite if you have one, or if you like them all. Tell me you like them all. And as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel if you can. And make sure your notification is turned on. That way, you know your boy has uploaded another video, and he will appreciate it if you take a moment and take a look at it. So guys, these are my 5. Let's see what your 5 look like. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys take care. Be safe. Deuces, guys. This is Gary from Gary's Diecast Collection. Wishing you guys the best. Happy hunting. Bye now.